Hey, it's Catherine Morgan. Today is a really big day. I received a very important package. And while you wouldn't think that this was a very important package, it is because it contains the print proof of my new book. You want to see what's in? I loosened it up so you wouldn't hear me screaming and opening. There we go. Looky, all wrapped up so it won't get banged up. It's here. This isn't working. Evolving the way we work to decrease stress, anxiety, and depression. This is a little book. It's not big, but it packs a powerful punch. It is a small book with a big mission, and I am so excited. It looks great. Our mascot is Flame Guy. He's on the cover and even on the spine, which I love. And I'm so excited to get my new book into the world.